Once you understand the power and you discover how to automate your trading, your life will never be the same. You will have time on your hands to do what it is that you want to do. No more grinding, sitting in front of the charts every single day up until what time at night, sometimes early morning hours, just to understand this, to analyze previous charts, historical charts. So once you understand, and like I said, once you discover how to automate your Forex trading, everything in your life is going to change. Hi there and welcome. My name is Errol Muller from errolmuller.com, and you might have searched how to automate my Forex trading. Well, in this video, I'm going to share exactly that with you, and stay right up until the end, because at the end of this video, I'm going to share something with you whereby you literally do not have to know anything about Forex trading. Meaning you do not have to analyze charts, you do not have to sit in front of the charts 24 hours a day, you don't have to know the fundamentals, you don't have to know any technical analysis, nothing of the sort. Okay, all you need to do is literally take money, open an account, invest the money towards or in somebody who actually knows what they're doing, who have actually been trading successfully for years, and who's gone through a call it an approval process in order to be a trader for and manage somebody else's money for them and trade for them. They have to go through an approval process. They have to have results. There's a few things that they need to qualify for in order to manage somebody else's funds. And if that is you, if you like what you've just heard, in the comments below this video, let me know that you like that is what you want to do. At the same time, in the comments below this video, let me know, what do you want to do with your Forex trading? Do you really want to automate your Forex trading by having your own setups or Forex trading strategies set up, trading automatically for you, or do you want somebody else to manage your funds for you? I would really like to know in the comments below, because that will help me to create the next video in order to share information with you that could help you change your life. Have you been struggling in Forex trading? Have you made money in Forex trading? Have you lost and blown numerous accounts in Forex trading? I know I have. I've been trading since the year 2014, 2015. I started my online journey, meaning online marketing, Forex trading, everything back in the year 2014, around about end of 2014, start of 2015. And I've blown numerous accounts. I know what it's all about. I've traded myself. I then began trading successfully online myself, but it was a time constraint. I had to sit in front of the charts every single day, and I needed to free up some of my time, some of my space, and that's how I started doing automated Forex trading. And I got other people to invest, or I invested money in other people and get them to trade and manage my money for me. So if that's you, then stay tuned. On my website, I'm going to show something with you quickly. So the first strategy in order to automate your Forex trading is with Forex robots. Now, head over to my website. It's called errolmuller.com, as you can see. Then I want you to head over to the tab that says Forex trading, and then click on Forex robots. We're going to go to the brokers there as well. What you want to do here is you can literally scroll through all of these Forex robots. Now, these are Forex robots that I've researched. I own numerous of these Forex robots, and I will share them with you. And the reason I'm sharing them with you is I want to expand your mind, and I want to show you how you can start and set up numerous and multiple sources of income. That's the most important thing. So the first way is in automating your Forex trading is to have Forex robots set up for you. Now, from my personal experience, don't just have one robot. Have 5, 6, 7, 10 robots if possible, because if 2 fails, the other 8 carries those 2, and then you can just replace those 2 down the line. But do your research. Like I said, I've done 90% of the work for you already by researching and sharing with you robots that I trust, that I believe in, that can be successful if you set them up correctly and you communicate with the owners, the developers of these robots. Then all you want to do is, like I said, on my website, go to the Forex Trading Forex Robots tab, and you can click on any one of these buttons. As soon as you click the button, so for instance, let's go to this one. Click the Access Now button. It will open up a new tab. You can scroll down. The strategy that I like is the USD CAD strategy. It will take you to the live trading account for that specific strategy, for that specific robot. And as you can see, consistently average growth per month is 5.3%. As you can see, there's the graph. graph, and this account started back in 2018. So if you want to see the results, look at that: 2.8, 2.3, 2%, 4.6%. Imagine these results. Just imagine it for a second. What is your interest at the bank or at your investment per annum, per year? Now take this is monthly, compounded. So that 2.3% is 2.3 on top of the previous months and total growth, including the 2.8%. So that's 2.33% of that total amount. Then another 2% of that total amount. So you can quickly see what I'm getting at. Okay, now you can see this account started back in 2018, 2019, 2020. This is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, call it 4 years and 2 months worth of results. Very good. Absolutely fantastic. So that is what you want to do. You can head over and click on all of these Forex trading robots. There is no rank. The one is not better compared to the other one. I'm just sharing all of them with you. Then secondly, what you need is you need a good Forex broker. Now I'm going to share 2 brokers with you. And I am part of both Forex brokers. So then you go to Forex trading, Forex brokers. I'm going to take you over to FX Open. We're going to head over to that broker now. And then a second Forex broker is FX Choice. Now you need to have a Forex broker and a good, reliable, trustworthy Forex broker. And that's why I shared both these Forex brokers with you. Okay, FX Open, I have been a client of FX Open since the year 2014. Yeah, actually longer. I think back in 2012, I started something related to Forex trading. I even went to a course here in South Africa, like a webinar training thing. Didn't work out for me. I wasted a lot of money, but that's how my journey started. So I think I've actually started with FX Open back in 2012, if I'm not mistaken. Don't take me to word for it. I think it's 2012. Okay, so that's strategy 1, is Forex trading robots. Strategy number 2, in order for you to know how to automate my Forex trading. Strategy 2. I want you to head over, go to Forex Brokers like I shared with you. I want you to click on the FX Open tab. Just click on Access Now. It will give you immediate access to FX Open. Create yourself an account. My suggestion and recommendation is to open yourself an ECN account. It stands for commission account. Not commission for me, it stands for commission account. There's a reason between a standard account, so an SDP account, an ECN account, and then there's one more account. But it doesn't matter. So out of them all, the quickest action, respond time within your trades, there's a specific word that I'm looking for, as an ECN account. So my recommendation is to open an ECN account. If you cannot afford to, rather just open an SDP account. I think the minimum deposit for SDP account or standard account is $100. For an ECN account, it's $1,000 if I'm not mistaken. Rather save up until you've got the $1,000 and open an ECN account. So how do you go about that? On my website, like I said, Forex Trading, Forex Robots, then you go to click the Access Now, go and open an account. It's free to open an account. Once you make a deposit, there's a certain minimum deposit that you can make. Then, like I said, strategy 2. This is called PAM account. So you invest money towards these traders. So you create an investment account with FX Open. If you want to know more about this and how you go about this, let me know in the comments below this video. And then what I will do is I will create a video specifically around PAM accounts, how to open your investment account, and then allocate money from your main account, your wallet account, over to your investment account, and then you allocate money from your investment account over to whoever the PAM holder is, the master, who you want to let them trade the money for you. So let's quickly have a look at it. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but what I do want to show you is you want to have a look at their results. So you can see the total gain goes from 35,827% all the way down to whatever it might be. Then you've got your daily gain, you've got your account age. These are days. So if you want to get years, just divide it by, I think it's 365. Then you've got your years. You've got your max drawdown. So tip from me to you, something you definitely want to look at is the maximum drawdown and the account age. Now, I'm not saying if it's a new account, it's not a good account. I'm just saying have a look, because a system needs to be testable, verifiable, and repeatable. And the longer it's been in the game, the more successful it is. It means it's got some backbone. It's got it went through all the difficulties in order it withstand, or what's the saying? But it basically it's successful. Call it that. I was looking for a specific saying. And so let's, for instance, go to Inspector. So his total gain so far is 2,132. Daily gain is about 0.29%. You don't want these 14, 15, 100% or 50% growths per month, because that means it's very risky, because the next month you can lose 80% of your account. That's where the drawdown comes in. So this guy looks quite good. He's got a 17. I'm not saying invest in this guy. I'm just sharing some information with you. At the same time, big fat disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an investment specialist. Please do your own research and invest or do anything at your own risk. I cannot guarantee any of these results, as I'm sharing my individual results with you, and I'm just giving recommendations, but it's entirely up to you, and do everything at your own risk. Please, I have to get that disclaimer out there. So drawdown 17%, which is good. That is low, because what you want to do is you want to look at the drawdown. So if the account hits a drawdown, I've called it 17%. So you lose 17% of your total value. But what is the monthly gain in order to make up that 17%? How many months will it take? And then you can look at the graphs. You can look at the statistics. So let's quickly head over and click on the Inspector. Let's say you want to invest with him. He's got 13 followers at this point in time. Now, in order to become a follower, that means you literally invested in him or in his strategy. So he's got 13 investors, and you can look at his stats. So he's starting, looks like 2020, the month of June. That's what it looks like up until now. There's something else that here's it. So all time, so he started on the 15th of June 2020, and it is the 17th of August 2022, and that's his gain. Quite impressive, I must say. Really impressive. And if you click on the stats, you will see daily gain of 0.29%, max drawdown 17%. That's good. Daily gain of 0.29%. That's really good. That is absolutely fantastic, if you ask me. So then what you can do is at the monthly analytics, if you scroll down, you can look. So in 2020, he started, look at that, 5%, 5%, 4%, 28, 29, 19, 28. And then if you head over to the next year, it's 22%, 6, 8, 4, 5. Then he had a 51% gain, then a 30%, 27% gain, 4.7% last, 7.3. And then you can see, so 2020, he had a return on investment of 197%. 2021, he had a 354% return, which is astronomical. It's crazy. That is huge. Then the year 2022, you will see 6%, 20%, 10%, 13%, 6%. This guy's doing absolutely wonderful. Like, he's doing really, really good. Then at the same time, you can see how the numbers started decreasing. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. Sometimes these guys realize that the way they trade is way too risky, and they have to scale it down. They have to bring the drawdown amount down in order to have smaller drawdowns and not lose as much money, because it just makes, the bigger the gains, the riskier the account. So my word of advice, or what I try and do, is this is a good account. It's really a good account. I look for something that's anywhere in the range of, call it a 1.5 to a 5% per month gain. That's my target, that's my aim, that's my goal, that's what I'm looking for. And I want to see consistency. I don't want the chart to just go like this and all of a sudden spike or have these massive ups and downs. I like consistency. I want to see consistency, because consistency wins over time. Look at the S&P 500. It's the only, call it stock market or stocks, that's actually, if you look at Warren Buffett, what does he say? Invest in the S&P 500. Why? Because it's the top 500 performing companies within, I think it's the States, not the world, within the States, if I'm not mistaken. And he says, yes, the gains might not be 24% or 100% per annum, but it's consistent. It's the only stock market that's been consistent over time. And in the long term, it's actually more profitable than these guys making a 200% 1 year, then a 10% the next year, and then a minus 15%. Consistency wins over time. That's it, guys. Those are the two strategies. Once again, I appreciate you. Give this video a like. Very important. Please give this video a like. And then I'll see you in my next video. Let me know in the comments below what you would like me to create in the near future. Have a good one and stay tuned.